video because I did, but I got Heaven Panty again. So I guess I was holding on to the other one for a while. It's the panty styling subscription I get in PR every single month. And you guys probably know everything about it already, but I got to go through it again. You can get them as low as $1.99. You fill out a quiz based upon what you like. They send it to you. Then after you place your order, they give you add-on credits. And there's even a $20 sign-on thing where I have a referral link and you'll get 20 and I'll get 20 to spend in their store, which is really, really cool. Their sizes are from extra small all the way past 3XXX, and I can link their information below. But let's get into this month's panty. I've never had any problems with them. They've never fallen apart on me. I've even dried them. They are not 100% cotton. The lining inside of it is the only thing that's 100% cotton. So they're made up of polyester and of spandex. So you get them in this cool little Ziploc bag as I throw it at you, right? And I get size small. Ooh, oh, these are sexy. I don't know if I can wear these ones for you guys. They have a $15 MSRP, and I get size small. I'm 5'6". I am 116 pounds. I was weighed this morning. And check this out. Okay, here's the front. Are you ready for the back? Look at that. How stinking cute. Okay, what is this little thing? Oh, it's just a little like gem thing. Oh, I love that. Okay, so these are super soft. They're super stretchy. If they're not too revealing, I'll try them on for you. Let's see. Okay, I cannot show you the back, but you can see how that part's out and my little butt crack shoes. Yeah, so I'm not going to show you that, but here they are and they fit good. Woo, they're kind of sexy, huh? Yeah, sorry for the graphic detail, but I just call it as I see it. So I do like them. I have a lot of pairs of them. I've been working with them for over 2 years. So if you guys have any questions, put them down below and I'll do my very best to answer them. If you enjoy unboxings, would you hit that subscribe button? Do all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle related on this channel, and I would love to get to know you guys. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys real soon in another one. Bye.